saying that my lord, he is earning 35,000. Lord, factually it is incorrect. He is earning more than 90,000.
Again, both are highly qualified. They are not entitled for maintenance, my lord. In this matter, both are the doctors say. In our matter, respondent is a MBA, petitioner is a MCOM student. Without reason, left the matrimonial house residing here. My mother is a paralysis. I have to take care of my mother also.
But you are not filed. So why can't we take an adverse inference that you are not filed, and whatever she asks, we will grant?
Kindly come to Annexure F. No, my lord, she is not earning anything. Paralysis patient she is. That he also knows it, and he himself has admitted to the hospital. Wife's petition for enhancement of the maintenance, my lord. Before the Honorable Trial Court, my lord, she has filed the petition for the maintenance, and wherein, my lord, she has filed the application for interim maintenance, my lord. That was allowed partly by granting her rupees 5,000 rupees. Lord, she has sought the maintenance of rupees 30,000 as a interim maintenance, my lord. But, my lord, even though, my lord, the respondent is having a sufficient income and he is drawing a salary as 5,000 is granted, my lord. He is earning more than Lord, even as per record, my lord, he has not filed his assets and liabilities. My lord, when this honorable court was come down heavily on the respondent, then only he has come up with the before this honorable court by filing assets and liabilities, saying that, my lord, he is earning 35,000. My lord, factually it is incorrect. He is earning more than 90,000. Lord, but he doesn't want to produce before the honorable court or before the honorable trial court regarding his salary slip, my lord. My lord, he is earning more than 90,000 rupees. Even we have filed application for 91 of CRPC to summon that document, my lord. That application is pending.
My lord, in this matter, both are highly qualified. My mother is staying at Sintamani. Submissions in this matter, my lord. Both are highly qualified. My mother is a paralysis patient. Without cause of any reason, left the matrimonial house and residing at parents' house. On submission, my lord. Without reason, left the matrimonial house. Whether they entitled for maintenance, my lord, please, my lord. Please, my without reason, left the matrimonial house and residing at parents' house. My Kaili, I am giving the reported some of the judgments, my lord.
Lord, I have also 3 judgments of the Honorable Apex Court as well as this Honorable. Please.
My lord, in the latest judgment, my lord, Supreme Court. Please, my lord. Judgment. Supreme Court latest judgment, my lord. I not a taken copy, only one copy has taken. Both are highly qualified. They are not entitled for maintenance, my lord. In this matter, both are the doctors say. In our matter, respondent is a MBA, petitioner is a MCOM student. MCOM. Without reason, left the matrimonial house residing here. My mother is a paralysis. I have to take care of my mother also. Thereafter, my lord, I arranged a separate accommodation also in Sintamani town. They are also not residing there. They come and stay at parents' house. I make an arrangement in Bangalore also, whether they are ready to come and reside, my lord. I will ready to arrangement in Bangalore. He is working in Bangalore. I has to take care of my mother as well as family also. Other judgment, my lord. Anil Jain and Srimati Sunita. Yes. See here in para number first. Yes. Early Family Act 1984 has filed against the order of the 19th passed by the Principal Judge, Family Court, Rathalam, Criminal Miscellaneous 203/2014 year by directed the applicant husband to pay the maintenance 4,000 rupees per month to the non-applicant wife from the date of order. It has admitted that the applicant marriage was performed and non-applicant 2001 they lived together for 7 days, second time 12 days. Thereafter, non-applicant wife has left the matrimonial house since she is living in parents' homes at William. She is enrolled as an advocate in that matter. Kindly see para number 9, my lord. The court has examined the findings, the trial court, whether non-applicant was wife has a sufficient reason to live separately, whether she is unable to maintain herself. Admittedly, after the marriage, non-applicant for leaving wife, matrimonial law 7 days, there was no allegation. During the period, she was harassed by her in-laws. Matrimonial law so. In this matter, they are not entitled for minute. Last parameter. The learned counsel for the non-applicant plan, the judgment reflects me by partial supra general facts that this case is quite different. There are the not helpful for the non-applicant within the force. I am the view finding the trial court has non-applicants sufficient reason to live separately, not sustainable law. Non-applicant wife residing separately without any reason, she is not entitled for maintenance.
Kindly see the order sheet, my lord. The thrice they were absent.
You don't come, when you come, you don't tell, no, what was the difficulty for you? No, when
And he is not paying the interim maintenance also.
file all the documents, but you have not filed. So why can't we take an adverse inference that you have not filed, and whatever she asks, we will grant? Because nowadays, now it has become a routine practice that you don't file the document before the court below, let it come to the high court, then before the high court, then you will say that we have not filed the documents, again the matter is remitted back to the court.
Yes.
So from now onwards, in all the cases wherever this statement of assets and liabilities are not filed,
Yes.
basing on what the wife is asking, we will grant the maintenance.
My lord, kindly be posted this matter on 1 weekend. I will bring all the relevant documents.
Produce the
There's a
entire order sheet of.
additional document this court has power, my lord, file the additional document in it. I can file an additional document. No, additional document I can file.
Kindly come to annexure F. No, my lord, she's not earning anything.
As per that, file your bank statements,
Which
bank statements.
is it back?
Your bank statement.
No, my lord. She does not have even account, my lord. No, my lord, because my lord, page number 40, annexure F. I filed the assets and liabilities. BCom, my lord. BCom.
MCOM, my lord.
No, MCom, it is not
MCom.
completed. No, my lord, she was not. No. She's, please, my lord, kindly come to page number
That's
40. my lord.
affiliate. So they said that
Bracket, we
MCOM.
have specifically mentioned, MCom is not completed. By that time, she got married, my lord.
Why she can't work?
Because, my lord, earlier also, my lord, she was not,
She has any,
little paralysis patient she is, my lord. That he also knows it. And he himself has admitted to the hospital. That also he admitted that, my lord. That he knows it very well. And before the honorable trial court also, my lord, the 80,000 due is there. 1,10,000 was the due. 30,000 he has only paid. 80,000 as on today it is due. My lord.
please file with the wife.
No, my lord. By him only, restitution of conjugal rights he has filed, my lord. He has withdrawn that. Now again he has filed the divorce petition. Now it is pending for consideration, my lord.